All right, guys, is your mic not working? Or you can hear them, but they can't hear you? I'll see if I can try to help you out a little bit today. So, this is a pretty common issue that I've seen a lot, got a lot. It doesn't take but 5-10 minutes to fix, and people are always like, man, that was super fast. So, the first thing you want to do is grab some alcohol. You can use rubbing alcohol, but 91% is the best. Get some Q-tips. And the first thing you want to do is you're going to pour some of this alcohol in a little cup. I always pour it in the lid. This makes it easier to get access to. Anti-static tweezers, just in case it's super dirty. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to take one of your Q-tips and you're just going to dip it in the alcohol. And you're going to go up here on this mesh where you hear out of, and you're just going to rub it. And don't be afraid to put pressure on it. What happens is we put this up to our face, we take it to work. We use our phone so much that the oils on our face, the makeup, just oils from work, handling it, sprays that we use, all kinds of stuff, they go in that little bitty crevice that we talk in, and they clog up the mesh. And if you look at your mesh very carefully, there should be little bitty holes in there. If you don't see any little holes, then that is your problem. A lot of people think that they need to replace their microphone, and you can put a new microphone in here, but that's not going to solve the issue because of that mesh right there that's blocking it. So you need to clean that, and it doesn't take 5-10 minutes. I noticed on this phone that the speaker down here at the bottom had some dirt in it, so I went ahead and cleaned that as well. But you'd be surprised what a little bit of alcohol, Q-tip, and just scrubbing that mesh at the top can really do. I've had phones that come in that you can't hear nothing whatsoever. You clean the mesh, and right away you can hear a little bit. So clean it a little bit more. But hopefully try this out first before you start ordering a mic or take it to get somebody to fix it. This has fixed 90% of the phones that have come in. We don't even need to replace the microphone. So this is the first step. I'm going to show you how much I got out of here. Like I said, it doesn't look like a lot, but you would be surprised the size of those holes and what can clog it up and make it where you can't hear nothing. But I hope this helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and comment so I know to keep making videos. I appreciate you guys. Thanks.